You've just hit the jackpot. A windfall, a fat bonus, or maybe you just sold your grandparents' antique vase for a small fortune. It's a lot of money, and you want to put it somewhere safe. Enter Monzo. Sleek, modern, and digital, it's the darling of the millennial banking world. But here's the burning question: how much can you actually stuff into this digital piggy bank? Let's break it down. First off, we need to differentiate. There's cash, and then there's everything else. Cash is king, but when it comes to Monzo, it's a bit of a limited monarchy. You can deposit between £5 and £300 in one go, but there's a crown jewel of a limit £1,000 every 6 months. It's like Monzo is saying, we love your cash, but let's not get carried away. Now, if you're thinking, cash? Who uses cash anymore? You're kind of right. But for some of us, the old school green stuff still has its charm. Maybe you're a market trader, a gig economy hero, or you simply prefer the tactile nature of money. Whatever your reason, Monzo has put a lid on how much of that cash you can park there. But what about the rest? The non-cash money. The digital rivers of funds flowing from your salary, freelancing gigs, or that online business you're killing it at. Well, the good news is, Monzo has a much bigger appetite for that. There's no cap on how much you can transfer into your Monzo account. You could be raking in millions, we hope, and Monzo will happily be your digital vault. However, while there's no limit on deposits, it's worth mentioning that Monzo, like any bank, has rules around large sums of money. If you're suddenly depositing tens of thousands, expect a few extra questions. It's all about preventing money laundering and other financial shenanigans. So, to recap, cash is limited to £300 per deposit and £1,000 every 6 months. Everything else? Wide open plains for your money to roam free. But remember, even with the freedom of digital banking, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your finances. Set budgets, save regularly, and don't be afraid to seek financial advice if you're dealing with large sums. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving or spending.